The 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in two phases. In the first phase 152 and the second phase 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May 2026. There will be 8 by-elections also, that is Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Nagaland and Tripura. The name of the constituencies are mentioned here and the reasons which will be circulated to you. And the schedule would be that the assembly constituencies for Goa, Karnataka, Nagaland and Tripura will be held, the polling will be held on 9th of April. Shall we move to the poll shilling announcements now? Next. All 126 assembly constituencies for Assam, the polling shall be just in one phase and the polling shall take place on 9th of April, Thursday, 2026. The counting shall be on 4th of May. All 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala shall also go for polling on 9th April, that is Thursday, and counting shall be on the same day, that is 4th May 2026. Puducherry also will go along with Assam and Kerala. The date of poll is 9th April and the counting will be 4th of May. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, all 234 assembly constituencies will go for poll on 23rd of April in one phase and the counting shall be on the same day for all the 5 states/UT, that is 4th of May 2026. West Bengal. West Bengal,